Hi students, welcome to my channel Smart Street. Now in this video I will be explaining two important proving questions on differentiation for class 12, and these questions are common for all the boards, whether you are in CBSE or ISC board or state board. You can practice these questions because differentiation and integration is common for all. Okay, so questions same रहते हैं, so students from any boards can practice these questions. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये question already solve किया हुआ है. I will explain the steps in detail. So let's start the video. First question है y equal to x plus root x square plus a square whole to the power n. We have to show that dy by dx is ny upon root x square plus a square. Now बहुत easy question है. First write down what is given. Y equal to x plus root x square plus a square whole to the power n. Okay. Now यहाँ पे direct differentiate करेंगे. So now consider this as x. So x to the power n का derivative क्या है? n x to the power n minus 1. So n into dy by dx will be n x means x plus root x square plus a square to the power n minus 1 into, now we have to differentiate this. So x का derivative हो गया 1 plus this is root x square plus a square. Now root x का derivative होता है 1 by 2 root x. So here we will have 1 by 2 root x square plus a square into x square plus a square का derivative is 2x. समझ में आ गया? Like see, this is n, this entire function to the power n minus 1 into, we have to differentiate this. इसका derivative हो गया 1 plus इसका root x square plus a square का 1 by 2 root x square plus a square and x square plus a square का 2x. ये 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Now here we will use laws of exponents. Suppose if you have a to the power n minus 1, that can be a to the power n minus 1. This can be written as a to the power n upon a. ठीक है, a to the power m upon a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. Okay, so that is what I have done here. n into, इसे split कर लेंगे, x plus root x square plus a square to the power n, and denominator में we will have x plus root x square plus a square. Okay, now in bracket just cross multiply. So this is like 1 plus, यहाँ पे x upon root x square plus a square बचेगा. Now this is n and this is y. Now y was x plus root x square plus a square whole to the power n. Okay, so n, this is y upon x plus root x square plus a square. Now यहाँ पे इसे मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, root x square plus a square plus x upon root x square plus a square. This entire thing gets cancelled. So we have dy by dx is ny upon root x square plus a square. Okay, let's see the second question. Y is root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. We have to show that 1 minus x square dy by dx is minus y. Now this is also direct differentiation. Consider this as root x. So root x का derivative हो गया 1 by 2 root x, and we have to differentiate this by using u by v rule. Okay, so dy by dx is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x into u by v. So 1 plus x into derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1 minus 1 minus x into derivative of 1 plus x is 1. So 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, divided by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, now यहाँ पे इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा because 1 by root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x will be 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. So this is half into root 1 plus x ऊपर जाएगा, 1 minus x will be in the denominator. यहाँ पे if you open the bracket, we have like see 1 plus x into minus 1. So this is minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. So ये cancel हो गया. So we have minus 2 in the numerator upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया. Now this 2 gets cancelled. So dy by dx is minus sign है, and यहाँ पे if we separate this, that is root 1 plus x upon root 1 minus x. ओके, इनटू यहाँ पे हमारे 1 माइनस एक्स एंड अपॉन वी हैव 1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. ओके, 1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. सो इसे हम अभी सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. तो दिस इज 1 बाई रूट 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू दिस इज 1 प्लस एक्स 2 माइनस हाफ. Okay, so 2 minus half is 3 by 2. Okay, this root 1 minus x as it is. यहाँ पे laws of exponents use करेंगे. So 1 plus x 2 minus half, which is 3 by 2. So dy by dx will be minus 1 upon root 1 minus x, and इन दोनों को combine करके we will get 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so now we have to prove that 1 minus x square dy by dx is minus y. So both sides we will multiply by 1 minus x square. So LHS will be 1 minus x square dy by dx equal to RHS में minus 1 minus x square upon write the denominator as it is. Now here minus 1 minus x square को हम लिखेंगे 1 minus x into 1 plus x upon again write the denominator as it is. Now यहाँ पे laws of exponents use करना है. This 1 minus x upon root 1 minus x will be root 1 minus x, okay, because 1 minus x upon root 1 minus x is 1 minus x to the power half. So this is 1. So 1 minus half. So this will be 1 minus x root 1 minus x. Okay. So this is minus root 1 minus x upon here it will be 3 by 2 minus 1. So again root 1 plus x. Now which can be combined. So minus this is root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay. Now what is root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x? This is y. So 1 minus x square divided by dx is this can be replaced by y. So this is minus y. ओके सो आई होप यहाँ पे बस थोड़ा सा लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स यूज़ करना है, बाकी इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. ओके सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड बोथ द क्वेश्चंस. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल बी सॉल्विंग फ्यू मोर प्रूविंग क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.